Wow! Very big box! My box! No, mine! 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 No, mine! Mine! No, mine! No, mine! Don't cry! Why? Let's build big house for two! I found more blocks! No blocks here! No blocks here! Oh! Blocks! I found more blocks too! We built our house! We built our home! We got a big house for two!
Awesome!
Thank you! Mom? It doesn't open. I need money. Okay, bye. Maybe money. Can you open this? Aga? What? Like this. David, your height is good. It says for you to jump. You can go and jump. Naomi, come here. I need to measure your height. What's wrong? Naomi, for you to be able to jump on the trampoline, you need to be this height.
Maggie, please let me jump.
No, Naomi. It's dangerous. You need to be at this height. You can jump. I'm sorry, Naomi.
Oh, this food, I will eat it and then I will grow. Then I can jump. Yummy. Oh, I'm ready. I can go and jump now.
Naomi, come here. We need to measure your height. Come here, Naomi. No, Naomi. You're the same height.
How good is
Naomi, I'm so sorry, but it's dangerous. You can jump if you're not high as this.
What should I do? I don't want to jump and the mountain sound. Oh, I have an idea. This is my mom's wardrobe. Oh!
How could this be? You need to take them off. Now come here again without your shoes. The same height. Naomi, you can jump.
But why not?
Naomi, because with your height, it's dangerous.
Oh, I have an idea.
You want me to check your height again? Come here. This can be real. Naomi, come here. I need to check your height again. Naomi, you are smart, but it's dangerous. You can't jump. I'm sorry, Naomi. Naomi, what's wrong?
I'm really sad because I wanted to jump.
Oh, Naomi, I know, but it's dangerous because there are rules and you need to be at that height, and you're not. But I have an idea. Yes, let's do it. Naomi, David, we can jump all together, and I will look after you, so you won't hurt yourself. David, Shiloh, let's go. I'm here.
Oh no, what should I do? She's a small baby. What should I do? I have an idea. Hello. Lois, my sister. I don't know where is she. I lost her. What should I do? I need to do this? Okay, thank you. Bye. I need to print? Lost baby Naomi. If you see Naomi, tell me. Where should I look for her? Maybe she's in the pool. No, she's not in the pool. Maybe she's in the kids' pool because she's a baby. Maybe she's in the bathroom. Maybe she went to the playground. Naomi, where are you? Lost baby. Naomi, where are you? Maybe she's maybe somewhere here. No. She's not here too. What should I do? Maybe somebody will see her in the elevator. So late and I still can't find her. Hello. Okay. Naomi, why are you crying? Naomi, don't cry. Naomi, I was so scared. Naomi, I was looking for you everywhere. I was just bored and I want to play. Naomi, but I told you not to go anywhere. Naomi, don't cry. Let's go home, baby. Hi, baby. It's a sponge for you. Who is crying? Baby? Baby? Oh, it's a real baby. Why are you crying? And do you have a swimming suit? And bathing suit. You have the whole bag. Let's see what is inside. You want to swim? Okay. Diaper. Towel. So pretty. You ready in bathing suit? Swimming pool. Naomi, are you ready for a swim? Naomi, let's swim with me. Oh, let's swim. A baby swimming in the pool. A big pool. Wow. I like swimming in the pool. Me too. Oh, I love you so much. You like swimming? Shanti, food is ready. Shanti. 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 Shanti, food is ready. Shanti, I'm calling you. Shanti, where are you, Shanti? Oh no, Shanti's not here. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. The door is open. That means that Shanti is lost. Shanti is lost. Oh no, I need to find her. Huh? Shanti, where are you? I need to find you. Lost my pocket. Oh no! Oh no, here's Boo. Maybe she drowned. Shanti! Maybe she's under the water. Shanti? No, Shanti. Shanti's not in the pool. Shanti's not in the pool. My puppy can be on the playground. No, Shanti's here. Yellow. Huh? More? Maybe Shanti was playing here? But no Shanti. Oh no, it's going to rain! I need to go home! I want this dress! It's the same! It's so big! But it's not like this! Maggie, don't cry! Maggie, do you like it? Yes, but it's not like your dress. It's like mine. It's pink too. Yes, but I want longer dress. Okay, Maggie. Yeah! I love it! Wow. Now, makeup, Maggie. Makeup.
Now, lips. Finish. Oh, I forgot. What? I want it too. Wow! Yeah! Maggie, now you're ready.
What is that? Shayla, there is no dogs allowed in the kitchen. Maggie, but I want to play with you. I'm hungry. Maggie. Naomi. Take Shayla. I'm cooking. Shayla, just go and play by yourself. You're already a grown-up puppy. Ooh, the door is open. Kids, food is ready. Come here. Food. Shayla, your food is ready too. Shayla. Oh no, our puppy Shayla is lost. Naomi, David, we need to find our puppy Shayla. Oh my God. Our puppy is lost. Maybe someone saw it. David, one for you. One for you. And one for me. Where should we look for our puppy? Naomi, David, I hear something. What? Oh no, but our puppy doesn't know how to swim. I know how. Naomi, is it our puppy Shayla? Naomi, look under the water. Oh, Maggie, what is this? It's not our puppy Shayla. Kids, we need to find her. Let's go. Our puppy Shayla is lost. What should we do? Naomi, David, can you hear it? Naomi, David, look, 3 puppies. This is not our puppy. It's not Shayla? What should we do then? Naomi, David! I hear something. Maybe under the chair. Oh, Shayla! But someone is here. I can hear it. Somebody's here. No, it's not a puppy. It's a bear. Puppy Shayla? No. No puppy. Maybe it's our puppy Shayla. Let's go. Oh, puppy. Oh no. No Shayla here. I hear something. Who is this? This is our puppy. Maggie, help us. It's not our puppy Shayla. It's so nice puppy. Puppy Shayla. Oh, it's not our puppy Shayla. No, David, let's go. Oh no, we still weren't able to find our puppy. And now it's raining. No, David, we need to go home. Let's go.
I was looking for you everywhere. My